Today I'm going to show you something fun in Python, which is a coding language that computers understand. And guess what? Today we are going to use it to make a multiplication table. So first, for that you can make a variable called anything. So I'm just going to make it A. Then I'll give this 11. I'll just give it 5. Okay. Then you have to print it like set quotation mark 5 x1 equal to close it, then put comma, then type there a into 1, then close the bracket. So we have to do this till 5 or 10, so I'm just going to do it till 10. Okay, then let's change the numbers to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 10. Okay, so let's run the module. So you have to save it first, so I'm going to give it multiplication underscore table dot python. Okay, so this is the multiplication table of the 5. Now let's just try making it as the user's wish. So for that you can maybe put there end inside bracket, hit input inside bracket, inside quotation mark, enter space and close bracket and close two brackets. Then change this, then delete this 5 and put it here a comma, and for everything a comma. Just delete 5 from everything. Then put there a comma, okay. So when we run our code, so I'll enter a number 7. So it printed the 7th table. So with just few lines of code, we made the whole multiplication table of 7. And this is super easy, and we can change the number to any other number if you want a different table. So that's a quick example of how we can use Python to do maths. It's like a magic. Once we write the code, Python does all the work for us. So bye.